Guys, welcome back to Fala's Corner. So today we are going to the beach. Excited! Yay! London High. We have this thing. London Eye in Canterbury, not Canterbury, in Margate.
So we just parked at the car park and we're just looking for a place to pay. And it was one very hidden spot. Anyway, yes. The men are over there trying to pay, and that's my gang.
Anna, say hello. Guys! Yay! Miss Annie, go enter YouTube. On the sand. Yay! Guys, look at how beautiful it is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What cruise? Hi guys, welcome back to Fala's Corner. So it's not officially summer yet, but it's getting really warm. So here we are. We just decided to come to the beach today. Look at how beautiful the sky looks. It's so blue. It's so nice. It's gorgeous. So I just showing, no big deal. Just these are all the snacks we got, our bags, everything here. Oh, look at these people, they're running after each other. So nice. And that's my husband and Mr. Achi. I just really love, look at eye on the sky. Oh my gosh. I've got my spec. I look lovely. I'm so happy. This is really spontaneous because out of the blue, my husband just told me, baby, we're going to the beach by 1. Out of the blue, guys. He told me 12 p.m. I'll go to the beach by 1. Spontaneous, really. But I'm really thankful for it because it's such, a beautiful atmosphere here. And because it's a big day, it's not like crowded. So I'm thankful for that. I think I'm just gonna rest and I'm just gonna think about stuff. I'm gonna try and spend some time with myself and my husband and just breathe, exhale really. So yeah.
So no walk today. We decided to come to the beach. Let's see how cold the water is. Yeah. So cold, man. Yeah.
Wow, can you
Eco.
Corner family, I'm going to read the book of Psalm 63 verse 3, NKJV version, and it reads, "Because thy loving kindness is better than life, my lips shall praise thee." My lips shall praise thee. And this is just a thanksgiving to God that my lips will continue to praise Him.
Margate Main Sands. We will not say we don't leave them. We go there, we're back somewhere.